Welcome to Best Investment Ideas. Today in this video I am going to tell you about how to open a Demat account with Motilal Oswal. To start this video in prior, if you want to open a Demat account with Motilal Oswal, just go to our page or just visit our Instagram page Best Investment Ideas. In the bio you can see a link which is mentioned there. Now that link is useful to open a Demat account with Motilal Oswal. So let's start the video how to open a Demat account with Motilal Oswal in step-by-step process. First, take the link which is mentioned there and copy the link. Now, after copying the link, go to the Google address box. Here, paste the same link which is copied there in the Google address box. After pasting the link, just click on enter. After you clicking on enter, a Motilal Oswal page will be open like this, where you can see a box at the right side which is asking your mobile number. Now enter the mobile number which is being used by you. After entering the mobile number, just click on terms and conditions box. After finishing all these, just click on open Demat account button. Now after clicking on open Demat account button, the next page will be open like this, where here it will ask the OTP which is sent to your mobile number which you have done it before, and also your email ID. Now enter the OTP which is sent to your registered mobile number followed by your mail ID. After entering these two, click on terms and conditions box. After finishing all this, click on proceed button. After clicking on the proceed button, the next page will be open like this. Here you can directly skip this page, or else you can also go through online and also check. If you wanna go through online, just click on online here. After clicking on online, here it will be asking the amount to be entered. Now the minimum amount that should be entered is 1 rupee. After entering this, click on proceed. Now if you want to go through check, click on check here. After clicking on check, here it will ask the amount to be entered and also the check number followed by the check date. Now fill all these details, and after finishing all this, click on proceed button. But if you don't want to do any of this, just click on skip. And if you are going through online or check and entering the amount will be added to your ledger balance after your account has been opened. So here I just skip this page. After skipping that page, the next page will be open like this, where you have to upload all the documents which are required for account opening. So I'll explain now step by step how to upload all these documents. The first one is PAN card. Scan a copy of PAN card and upload it here. The next one is upload Aadhaar. In Aadhaar you can see 3 blocks here which is asking e-Aadhaar, Aadhaar offline and also Aadhaar upload. If your Aadhaar is linked with your mobile number which you have been registered before, you can go through e-Aadhaar or Aadhaar offline. But if your Aadhaar is linked with some other mobile number like your family member's mobile number, you can go through Aadhaar upload. Here you have to scan the front and back copy of Aadhaar and upload here. The third one is signed bank proof. Now here you have to enter the account number and also IFSC number or branch code. You have to enter the account number and IFSC number of your bank account which is being used. After entering these two, click on upload. Now signature. Take a piece of paper, put your signature there, scan it and upload it here. Now the next one is 6-month bank statement. The 6-month bank statement is optional. If you want to do it, you can, otherwise you can skip it. Now after uploading all the documents, here you have to click on no at these both the questions. After finishing that, you have to enter the OTP which is sent to your mail ID. Note, here you have to enter the mail ID only which you are using right now. Otherwise for further processes you may get you may raise some issues in opening the account. Okay, after entering the OTP, click on next button. After clicking on next, here the next page will be open like this, where it will ask some personal details about you like your gender, occupation, experience, educational qualification and also your income. After filling all these details, just click on next button. Here you can see a message like this. only some people will be seeing message like this if their documents are not clear. If all the documents are very clear, you will be not seeing any kind of this message. Don't worry if you get this kind of message. You'll just get a call from our executives where they will ask some information for verification processes. If you get a message like this, just click on OK. Now the next page will be open like this. Here you can see both OTP and biometric. So in this you have to click on OTP button. After clicking on OTP button, here you will be seeing a page like this open. There you have to enter your Aadhaar number and also click on the terms and conditions box. Here you have to enter your Aadhaar number and click on terms and conditions box, and after finishing this, just click on send OTP. After clicking on send OTP, here you can see a message like this, that is success OTP sent on registered mobile or email ID. Here the OTP will be sent only to the number which is linked to your Aadhaar. Okay. Now enter the OTP which is sent to your mobile number that is linked to your Aadhaar. After entering this, click on verify OTP. That's it. Your account with Motilal Oswal has been opened, and here you can see the login ID and also password will be sent to your registered mail ID. I hope this video is very useful in account opening process. If any queries after seeing this video, you can message us at our Instagram page. I hope this video is very informative. For more videos and to know more about stock markets and financial services, just follow our page. Thank you so much for watching.